Question 1. Earth Day celebrated on. Your options are A. 22nd April, B. 13th May, C. 22nd June, D. 11th April. Correct answer is 22nd April. Question 2. Which is the biggest sea animal? Your options are A. Octopus, B. Seahorse, C. Blue whale, D. Elephant. Correct answer is C. Blue whale. Question 3. The animal with a hump on its back is. Your options are A. Buffalo, B. Tiger, C. Camel, D. Giraffe. Correct answer is camel. Question 4. The brain of a computer is. Your options are A. CPU, B. UPS, C. Printer, D. Keyboard. Correct answer is CPU. Question 5. What is the full form of RAM? Your options are A. Read-only memory, B. Write access memory, C. Random access memory, D. Read-all memory. Correct answer is random access memory. Question 6. The fastest animal on earth is. Your options are A. Lion, B. Cheetah, C. Tiger, D. Dog. Correct answer is cheetah. Question 7. Which organ purifies our blood? Your options are A. Liver, B. Brain, C. Intestine, D. Kidney. Correct answer is kidney. Question 8. Who wrote Discovery of India? Your options are A. Indira Gandhi, B. Jawaharlal Nehru, C. Rajendra Prasad, D. Mahatma Gandhi. Correct answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. Question 9. When is Teachers' Day celebrated? Your options are A. 8th December, B. 20th January, C. 5th September, D. 5th October. Correct answer is 5th September. Question 10. Which is the largest desert in India? Your options are A. Sahara Desert, B. Thar Desert, C. Gobi Desert, D. Kalahari Desert. Correct answer is Thar Desert. Thank you.